Welcome to Avant Properties training by Ask Marybeth. Today, we will be covering the key elements of the NAR Settlement Revised 2024 Residential Purchase Agreement. The NAR Settlement Revised Residential Purchase Agreement is a legal document, updated to streamline and clarify the process of buying and selling residential property. This revised version incorporates feedback from both real estate professionals and consumers to ensure a more transparent, efficient, and legally sound transaction process. Below are key points of the agreement. 1. Buyer and seller information. Identifies the buyers and sellers involved in the transaction. Ensures proper legal names are used to avoid confusion. 2. Property description. Specifies the complete and accurate description of the property being sold, including its address, legal description, and any other relevant details. 3. Purchase price and payment terms. Outlines the agreed upon purchase price. Details the down payment, earnest money deposit, financing terms, and any other financial arrangements between buyer and seller. Includes contingencies related to financing. 4. Closing and possession. Sets the timeline for closing the sale and when the buyer will take possession of the property. Addresses any rent back or other possession terms if the seller remains on the property after closing. 5. Contingencies. Includes common contingencies such as financing contingency. Purchase is contingent upon the buyer obtaining financing. Inspection contingency. Allows the buyer to inspect the property and negotiate repairs. Appraisal contingency. Purchase price must match or be lower than the appraised value of the property. 6. Disclosures. Ensures the seller provides all required property disclosures to the buyer, e.g., lead paint, property condition, environmental hazards. Outlines deadlines for these disclosures. 7. Title and escrow. Discusses the handling of title, ensuring the seller provides clear, marketable title to the buyer. Details escrow procedures and the role of the escrow agent in holding funds and documents. 8. Default and remedies. Specifies what happens if either the buyer or seller fails to meet their obligations under the agreement. Includes remedies such as liquidated damages or specific performance. 9. Closing costs and prorations. Outlines which party is responsible for which closing costs, e.g., title insurance, escrow fees, property taxes, etc. Prorates property taxes, homeowners association dues, and other expenses. 10. Addenda and attachments. Clarifies any additional agreements or documents attached to the contract, e.g., home warranty agreements, disclosures, etc. 11. Mediation and arbitration. Encourages dispute resolution through mediation or arbitration rather than litigation. Provides the steps for initiating and completing these processes. 12. Expiration of offer. Sets the date and time for the offer to expire if not accepted by the seller within that window. The revised version aims to make real estate transactions smoother by providing clear expectations, addressing common points of confusion, and ensuring all legal requirements are met.